In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TP-Link with a cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting a TP-Link device, typically a router, via an Ethernet cable involves two main connections: getting the internet signal into the router and connecting a device like a computer to the router. So to keep it simple, you will be connecting a modem to the router, and then from the router, you will be able to send the connection. This can be, like I said, to a PC, to a laptop, to any device that has an Ethernet port. To start, first make sure that the router is connected to the power adapter, so receiving power from an electrical outlet, and you have your modem set up, also connected to power and connected to the internet. Once the modem is set up, power it on, and then use an Ethernet cable to connect the router and the modem together. Your modem is usually going to be provided by your ISP. So once you have both of them connected like this, you will use one out of these 4 LAN ports available on the back of the router to connect it to different devices. Sometimes you might have less or even more LAN ports than 4. And there's going to be one clearly labeled port where you will be plugging the Ethernet cable from the modem into the router. Usually, this will be labeled as WAN, so WAN. And these ones that you use to connect two different devices are going to be labeled LAN. So establish a connection like this. You can have multiple different devices connected. So for example, one of these LAN ports goes to a PC, the other one goes to a laptop, another one goes to a console, and so on. Any device that has an Ethernet port will be usable in conjunction with your router. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.